Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. So I have a nano fish tank. Ayan. We'll be unboxing my nano fish tank. Ayan. Aquarium siya guys. Alright. So ayan. Tropical nano fish tank. Ayan. Meron na tayong pagkaabalahan these days. Ayan. So, super ganda niya. It's only $50. You can have your nano fish tank and together with a filter. Oh, sisirain ito yata. Gravel muna. Kasama sa $50 yung gravel. And actually yung plastic plants. Pero we will buy a original plants really, not the fake one. And then meron siyang kasamang filter. Ayan. May filter na siyang kasama, guys. Oh, di ba? Super ganda. Ayan. So, the filter. $50, guys. You have the filter, the tank itself, and plastic plants. But we can add some more to keep of room, and also the gravel for your $50. So we have a new hobby na, guys. And diba? So later I will upload another video yung kasama na yung fish tsaka yung mga plants. Ayan, guys. Hope you enjoy my video. See you on my part 2.